The Kimchi and Seaweed Museum, better known as the Haechan Songhak Laver Museum, is a place that celebrates the rich culture and heritage of Korea's well-loved food. In this tour, they gave us a walkthrough of the seaweed farming processes and also got to taste different seaweed samples. Of course, the highlight of the tour was the hands-on kimchi making session. They truly put in a good effort to make this a fun and educational stop. Also, it was a great experience to try the different flavors of authentic seaweeds and kimchi. The best part, that the products sold here are fresh with the highest quality standard. For reviews on places, events, food, and resto, like and share this video and hit subscribe.